Okay, we're looking at this do it now task. This has isometric dots instead of an isometric grid. The idea on this task is to complete each of these shapes, these isometric shapes, and to also colour them in, colouring in the segments which are different colour as well, so you're colouring them in with two shades. As with the other ones like this, it's, the first thing you need to do is get the positioning right. So the best thing to do is actually count across here. So if we go 1, 2 there in that row, so 1, 2, and then we're coming down 1, 2, 3 to here, and that just gives us the right position to start drawing. I'm using a fine liner here. You can use a pencil, maybe go over it with fine liner. The problem with the fine liner, just going straight ahead with fine liner, is if you do make a mistake you can't rub it out, whereas if you draw it lightly in pencil, any mistakes you make are easy to change. So obviously here these are all just cubes, so you've got a cube there, you've got a cube here. If you want to, you can use a ruler for this, and there's that one there. The next one, as you can see, we've got a gap of 1 dot, so you might want to count across from here 1 to there, so 1, and I think starting there, so we can start here. We've got 1, 2 dots there, 1, 2 dots there, and we draw that one in, and we can see we've got that correct spacing now. And then 1, 2 down to there, you might want to draw it a cube at a time rather than drawing all 4. If you can see that. So with these, it's just a case of getting the spacing right to fit them all onto the sheet. I'm just going to draw those two. You can see the others there, see those other ones completed, and then I've just coloured them in using a colouring pencil. And then it doesn't have to be these two colours, you can pick any colours you like. And there's that one completed. I'm going to complete those. I'm not going to do the whole load. And on here it does say here as well, for the reach on your grass task, can you describe the ratio of colours in each as a fraction? So how many cubes are there total, how many are blue, how many are red, and what would that be expressed as a fraction? Okay, so that's just the reach beyond your grass task. So there's another isometric do it now task. There it is completed.